Students, we are learning admission of a partner. In admission of a partner, we are going to learn treatment or adjustment of goodwill. There are 4 cases are given for Tamil Nadu State Board students. Yes, let me see the problem. The first case is case number 1. Case number 1. New partner brings his share of goodwill. New partner brings his share of goodwill as cash. The new partner bringing his share of goodwill as cash. Students, the new partner, when he comes, he will bring capital. Along with the capital, he may bring some goodwill as cash. So for that, the entry is cash account debtor or bank account debtor, cash or bank account debtor to old partner capital account. Old partner capital account. When fluctuating capital method is to be followed, in case fixed capital method is followed, instead of capital account, we have to maintain current account. When new partner brings his share of goodwill, the entry is cash account debtor to old partner capital account or current account. If capitals are maintaining under fluctuating capital method, we have to write old partner capital. In case of fixed capital method, we have to write to old partner current account. So how they will share? They will share in sacrifice ratio. They will share the goodwill in sacrifice ratio. The narration is new partner brings goodwill. New partner brings goodwill as cash, and the goodwill retained in the business. So case number 1, the new partner brings his share of goodwill. As cash. The entry is cash account debtor to old partner capital or current account. How they will share? They will share in the sacrifice ratio. Sometime the goodwill may be withdrawn by the old partner. If goodwill is withdrawn, we have to record the second entry. The entry is old partner capital account debtor, old partner capital or current account debtor to cash or bank. We have to reverse the first entry. Narration: goodwill withdrawn by old partner. They may withdraw entire amount or part of the amount. Students, if new partner brings goodwill, the entry is cash or bank account debtor to old partner capital account or current account in sacrifice ratio. If old partner withdraw the entire amount or part of the goodwill, the entry will be reversed. The entry is old partner capital account debtor to cash. This is case number 1. Then I am going to teach you case number 2. Case number 2 is the new partner does not brings his share of goodwill as cash. First case, the new partner bringing his share of goodwill as cash. Here the new partner not bringing his share of goodwill. The entry is the new partner capital account debtor. To old partner capital account. To old partner capital or current account. The narration is new partner does not bring his share of goodwill. If he brings goodwill, cash account debtor to old partner capital account. If he doesn't bring goodwill, instead of cash, we have to record the new partner capital account. How they will share? They will share in sacrifice ratio. So case number 1, new partner brings goodwill as cash. Second case, the new partner doesn't bring his share of goodwill as cash. Then case number 3, new partner new partner brings part of goodwill as cash. The new partner bringing part of the goodwill, not the entire goodwill. For example, a new partner is supposed to bring 20,000, of which he brings 8,000. So 8,000 he brings, remaining 12,000 he doesn't brings. Further, the entry is, when he brings cash, the entry is cash account debtor. When he doesn't brings goodwill, the entry is new partner capital account debtor. New partner capital account debtor to old partner capital account. Old partner capital account. For example, he is supposed to bring 20,000 as capital, as goodwill. He brought 8,000. So cash 8,000. How much he doesn't bring? He doesn't bring 12,000. So 8,000 cash, 12,000 is a new partner capital account. The total value should be credited to old partner capital account. It should be shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio. So narration is, part of goodwill brought by old partner. Part of the goodwill brought by new partner. Part of the goodwill brought by new partner. Students, listen carefully. If he brings goodwill as cash, the entry is cash account debtor to old partner. Ratio is sacrifice. If he doesn't brings his share of goodwill as cash, instead of cash we should give debit to the new partner capital. How they will share? In sacrifice ratio. Sometime he may bring part of the goodwill. So what he brings, it should be debited as cash. What he doesn't bring, it should be debited as new partner capital. The total value shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio. So there are 4 cases, of which 3 cases belongs to the new partner goodwill. Yes, the last case is the 4th case. Existing goodwill to be written off. Existing goodwill to be written off. What do you mean by existing goodwill? The goodwill already recorded in the books of the firm, that we have to remove, that we have to withdraw. So what is the entry? Already the goodwill shows debit balance. If you want to written off, what we have to do? It will go to the credit side. So the entry is old partner capital account debtor. Old partner capital account debtor to goodwill. Old partner capital account debtor to goodwill. Old partner capital account debtor to goodwill. Narration: goodwill written off. Goodwill written off. Ratio, old ratio. They will share in old ratio because this goodwill earned by the old partner. So when they written off, it should be shared by the old partner. Students, there are four cases. Case number 1, new partner brings his share of goodwill as cash. The entry is cash or bank account debtor to old partner capital or current account, shared by sacrifice ratio. Second case, new partner doesn't bring his share of goodwill. The entry is new partner capital account debtor to old partner capital. How they will share? In sacrifice ratio. Case number 3, part of the goodwill. How much he brings, it should be debited as cash. How much he doesn't bring, that should be debited as new partner capital. The total value should be shared by existing partner, old partner, in sacrifice ratio. Case number 4, the goodwill already appears in the books of the firm, that we have to written off. Already goodwill shows debit balance. When we written off, it will go to the credit side. So entry is old partner capital account debtor to goodwill. The ratio is old. Students, let me see some problem in relation to treatment or adjustment of goodwill. Let me see the first problem. Look at the board. Sum number 1. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. C joins as a partner on 1st January 2019 for 1/3 share of profit. So old partner ratio 5:3. They are admitting C into the partnership for 1/3 share of profit, and brings in cash for his share of goodwill rupees 8,000. So C brings his share of goodwill, how much? 8,000 he brings. Okay. Pass journals and assume that fluctuating capital method is followed and partner withdraw the entire amount of the share of goodwill. Yes. New partner brings his share of goodwill. New partner share of goodwill is given in the question. So the entry is cash or bank account at R2 old partner capital account, since they are following fluctuating capital method. So cash or bank account at R2 old partner capital account, namely A capital, B capital. The value, how much he brings, 8,000 is given. Then we have to divide in sacrifice ratio. Here old profit sharing ratio 5:3. The new partner share is 1/3. Yes, here no sacrifice is given. No sacrifices, A sacrifice, B sacrifice is not given. If no sacrifice is given, old ratio and sacrifice ratio remain same. Once again I am repeating. When no sacrifice is given, old ratio and sacrifice ratio both should be same. So now we can assume old ratio 5:3 as sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is 5:3. So if we divide 8,000 in 5:3, 5/8 for A, for B 3/8. So 5/8 5,000 rupees, 3/8 3,000 rupees. Narration, goodwill brought as cash by C. Then the entire amount of goodwill, the partner withdraw the entire amount of goodwill. So the entire amount of goodwill withdrawn by A and B. If they withdraw, we should reverse the first entry. What is the entry now? A capital account at R, B capital account at R, to cash account or bank account. Entire amount they are saying, so we can write the entire amount. A's share 5,000, B share 3,000. So total goodwill 8,000 withdrawn. So now goodwill withdrawn by A and B. If they say half of the goodwill withdrawn, so half of 5,000, 2,500, half of 3,000, 1,500, the total is 4,000. Yes, case number, sum number 1 is over. Then move to the sum number 2. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses equally. So there are 3 partners, namely A, B and C are partners sharing profit and losses equally. They admit D into the partnership for 1/4 share. Okay. The goodwill of the firm valued at 36,000. Here the new partner goodwill is not given, the entire firm's goodwill is given. So entire firm's goodwill how much? 36,000. The new partner is D. So we have to find the D share of goodwill. So we have to find D share of goodwill. We know entire value of the goodwill 36, D share 1/4. So D share of goodwill rupees 9,000. Okay. And D brought cash for his share of goodwill. Okay. The total value of goodwill 36,000, of which 1/4 belongs to D share. This goodwill brought by D as cash. The existing partner withdraw the half of the amount of goodwill. Okay. Here the entry is cash or bank account at R to A capital, B capital, to C capital. A capital, B capital, C capital. Because the method of capital is not given, so I can write A capital, B capital, C capital. The value D share of goodwill how much? 9,000. In this problem also, the sacrifice is given, no sacrifice is given. What I said, if no sacrifice is given, we can assume the old profit sharing ratio as sacrifice ratio. Now I can consider sacrifice ratio as 1:1:1. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. A is capital 3,000, B capital 3,000, C capital 3,000. Narration, D brings his share of goodwill as cash. As cash, it is retained in the business. Okay. Next one. The existing partner withdraw the half of the amount of goodwill. I said if goodwill brought by new partner, the entry is cash or bank account data to old partner, sacrifice ratio. If they withdraw, what we have to do? We have to record the reverse entry. The entry is A capital account debtor, B capital account debtor, C capital account debtor, to cash or bank. Half of the amount. So 9,000 of 4,500. Then 3,000 of 1,500. So A's total share 3,000, of which 50% withdrawn. Then B also. Then C also. So now the narration is goodwill withdrawn by A, B and C. Students, very important. In first problem, the new partner share of goodwill is given, so we can write the value directly. In second problem, the total value of the goodwill of the firm is given, so we cannot use the entire amount. We should take the new partner share of goodwill that should be shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio. Yes, students, we completed second problem. Now we'll move to the third problem. Vasu and Devi are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Already two partners, Vasu and Devi. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. They admit Nila in the firm for 1/4 share of the profit. Nila pays 3,000 as her share of goodwill. So Nila's goodwill is given. New partner goodwill is given. Okay. The new ratio also given. The new profit sharing ratio is 3:3:2. Pass journal assuming they are following fixed capital method. Yes, the new partner is Neela. New partner is Neela. The entry is cash account data to how much she brings 3,000 rupees to Vasu current account, since they are following fixed capital method. Vasu current account, then Devi current account. Here old ratio and new ratio both are given, so we have to find sacrifice ratio. We have to find sacrifice ratio for the third problem, because new ratio is given. But in earlier two problem, no sacrifice is given. If no sacrifice is given, we can assume old ratio as sacrifice ratio. Here when new ratio or surrender is given, we have to find the sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio formula, old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. We have to find for Vasu and Devi. Vasu's old share 3/5. Devi old share 2/5. Minus. New share 3/8. 3/8. So we can multiply 40. 40 into 5. 40 divided by 5, 8. 8 3s are 24. 40 divided by 8, 5 3s are 15. So 9/40. Here 40. 40 divided by 5, 8. 8 into 2, 16, minus 40 divided by 8, 5 3s are 15. Balance 1/40. So sacrifice ratio is 9:1. So now we can divide the total goodwill of new partner Neela 9:1. How we can divide? So 3,000 into 9/10. 3,000 into 1/10. So 2,700 to Vasu, 300 to Devi. So 2,700 to Vasu, 300 to Devi. Narration is Neela brings her goodwill. Neela brings her goodwill as cash and retained in the business. No partner has withdrawn, retained in the business. Students, we completed 3 problems. We have 2 more problems. Let me see. Students, let me learn the fourth problem. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:1. They admit C into the firm for 2/9 share of profit. The goodwill of the firm valued. Here, the new partner goodwill is not given. The goodwill of the firm, the total goodwill of the firm is given 27,000. C is not able to bring in cash for his share of goodwill. Students, here the new partner doesn't bring his share of goodwill. When new partner brings his share of goodwill, the entry is cash or bank account data to old partner capital account. If he doesn't bring his share of goodwill, what we have to do, instead of cash, we'll record the new partner capital account. Here the entry is sum number 4. The entry is C capital account data. C capital account data to A capital to B capital. C doesn't brings his share of goodwill. His share of goodwill. The new partner doesn't bring his share of goodwill as cash. His share of goodwill is given. Not Total goodwill of the firm is given. Total value of the goodwill, how much? The firm's total value of the goodwill 27,000. Now we have to find C's share of goodwill. Total goodwill of the firm, how much? 27,000. So the new partner share is 2/9. So now the new partner goodwill, C share of goodwill, how much? 3. So 6,000 rupees. So the new partner goodwill is 6,000. We should divide the new partner share of goodwill in sacrifice ratio. Here, no sacrifice is given. We can use the old ratio as sacrifice ratio. So our sacrifice ratio is 5:1. So 5/6, 1/6. So now for 5,000 goes to A capital, 1,000 rupees goes to B capital. Here new partner doesn't bring his share of goodwill. At the same time, the new partner share of goodwill is not given. The total value of the goodwill is given. First, what we have to do, you have to take the new partner goodwill, then that should be divided in sacrifice ratio. Why here we are not calculating the sacrifice ratio? Because no sacrifice is given. When no sacrifice is given, old ratio and sacrifice ratio both are same. So sum number 4 is over. Then move to sum number 5. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C into the firm. The new profit sharing ratio is agreed 1:1:1. Students, in this problem, old ratio and new ratio are given. So we have to find the sacrifice ratio. When we have to find sacrifice ratio, when new ratio is given or surrender from original ratio is given. In these two cases, we have to find the sacrifice ratio, or else we need not to find. With the help of a problem, we can find the sacrifices. Here old ratio and new ratio are given. C share of goodwill valued 20,000. So new partner goodwill is given 20,000, of which he pays 12,000 as cash. So how much he brings? 12,000. How much he doesn't bring? 8,000. For that I am going to record entry. Look at the students. Look at the board. How much he brings? He brings 5,000. So entry is cash account data 12,000. He brought 12,000. How much he doesn't brings? 8,000 rupees. We should give debit to his capital account. So C capital account, debit 8,000. The total 20,000 shared by old partner A and B. A capital method is not given, so we can write capital, or else if fixed capital method is followed, we have to write current account. Students, for this case, we have to find the sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio formula, old ratio minus new ratio. We have to find the sacrifice ratio for old partner A and B. Old share 3:2. So 3/5, 2/5. New ratio 1:1:1. So new share 1/3, 1/3. by multiply 15,000. 15 divided by 5, 3 3s are 9, minus 15 divided by 3 5 ones are 5. 4 by 15. Here 15 divided by 5, 3 2s are 6, minus 15 divided by 3 5 ones are 5. 1 by 15. So sacrifice ratio is 4:1. Now the 20,000 should be divided in 4:1. So for A 16,000, for B 4,000. Here C brings part of goodwill. C brings part of goodwill. In this problem, old ratio and new ratio are given, so we have to find the sacrifice ratio. And the C share of goodwill, how much? 20,000, of which how much he brings? He brings 12,000. How much he doesn't brings? 8,000. It should be debited to his capital account. The total value shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio just now we ascertained. Students, let me see the last problem and last case. Here Satish and Sudan are partnered sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3. On 1st April 2018, they admitted Sasi as a partner. On date of Sasi admission, the goodwill appears in the books. Here the goodwill owned by the old partner, namely Satish and Sudan. Previously we solved 5 problems. In all 5 problems, the goodwill related to the new partner. Here the goodwill owned by the old partner. So existing balance sheet showed goodwill of rupees 35,000. Pass journal entry for the following cases. Case 1, write off the entire amount of goodwill. Students, they want to remove or they want to wipe off the entire amount of goodwill. The goodwill account normally shows debit balance. When we decrease, it will go to the credit side. Then the partner, old partner capital should be debited. Satish capital account debtor, old partner. Satish capital account debtor, Sudan capital account debtor, to goodwill. They are asking us to write off entire amount, entire value of the goodwill. So the total value of the goodwill, how much? 35,000. It should be shared by old partner in what ratio? Old ratio. Old ratio given in the question. 4:3. 4:3. So 35,000 into 4/7 to Satish. Then for Sudan, 35,000 into 3/7. So 5 times 20,000, 15,000. So 15,000 goes to Satish. Sorry, 20,000 goes to Satish. 15,000 goes to Sudan. Narration: goodwill written off. Goodwill written off. Sum 6A, case A. Over. Then case B. Case B says write off 21,000 of the existing goodwill. So they want to write off part of the goodwill. So same entry we are going to record. Entry is Satish capital account debtor, Sudan capital account debtor, to goodwill. How much we should write off? That is given in the question, 21,000. How we can share? In old ratio, 4:3. So how we will divide 21,000 into 4/7, 21,000 into 3/7. So 3 4s are 12,000, 3 3s are 9,000. So for Satish 12,000, for Sudan 9,000. Narration: part of the goodwill written off. Part of the goodwill written off. Students, there are 6 problems are solved, of which 5 problem related to the new partner capital account. The last problem related to the goodwill related to the old partner. Students, we completed treatment of goodwill in admission of a partner. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.